concrete batching plan.
Oh! Hello, I need concrete fast to set up boundary posts now.
We should make the concrete production line soon.
Right. Let's set up.
How concrete is produced in a factory? 1. Build the mixing tank. Rotating axle. Motor. Now, I'll make the discharge outlet for concrete. Mixing paddle. The cover. Pipe connector. 2. Build the hoppers. I'll build the gear drive system. Add the gearbox. Next, I'll attach the hoppers. Pipe connector. Place them onto the base.
Okay, let's place the hoppers in position for loading materials. Inside them, the spinning auger will feed the materials down. Then, we'll use these pipes to connect the 3 hoppers to the mixing tank.
Wow!
Materials in. Next, fill up the tank on the water tower. We need a pump to move water. Water will flow through the pipe into the mixing tank. Water in. Add the mixing tank motor. Then add the concrete outlet chute. Now we just need a control panel to run the whole plant. All the hoppers are running. Let's bring materials in.
Wow!
Aggregate. Cement. Sand. Now let's run the mixing tank.
Wow!
Before mixing with water, I'll close the cover to keep it safe. Now, let's pump the water down. The mixing process is done. Yeah, the concrete is fine now.
Then let's call for pickup.
I'm here for the concrete.
Everything's ready. I'll pour the first batch now.
The truck is full. Stop the flow.
Nice. Let's head to the boundary post site. The base is set. Let's hook up the hose and pour it into the post. Awesome! The boundary post is finished. I can head back now.
Ramen Factory.
Welcome to our ramen factory. Here, we'll use a scanner to analyze your body and make noodles with the nutrients you need. So who wants to try first?
Me. I want noodles to make me strong like Superman.
Oh la la.
Stay till. The scanner is running. Lacking beta carotene. Need more spinach. Alright, let's make spinach noodle now. First, I'll pour the ingredients into this dough mixer.
Wheat flour. Spinach. Raw egg.
The mixer is blending the mixture into dough evenly. Next up, I'll fed this dough into the noodle press machine. Now, let's press it into long, thin noodle strands. From here, these noodle strands will be moved to the next stage. At this cooking stage, they move onto the frying conveyor. Look, they're fried in hot oil until evenly done and crispy. Now, they're placed on a draining net to remove excess oil. Finally, place them into boxes. And add seasoning packets. And spinach ramen is ready. You can enjoy your ramen now.
Wow, even its smell is giving me muscles.
How to build the dough mixer. Number 1. Build the powder container. The ingredients will flow from the top into this empty box. Feeding funnel. Number 2. Build the mixing unit. Mixing arm. Connect 2 parts. Testing.
I want to brighten up my old eyes.
And I want my skin to be glow more.
The scanner will give you answer right now. Lacking vitamin A, suggested carrot ramen. Lacking iron, suggesting seafood ramen. Let's make noodles quickly for our customers.
Wait, we should upgrade Noodle Maker to boost its speed. How to upgrade the Noodle Maker? I'll replace this handle by an auto press module. First, I'll build the pressing shaft to press the dough. The press plate. Add the motors. Connect to the battery. Now let's add it into the dough holder. Great! I don't need to use the rotating handle to make noodles by hand anymore. Testing. I'll run a test with these 4 noodle press heads. The dough. My noodle maker can produce all kinds of noodles like ramen, pasta, udon. Let's start with carrot ramen. Wheat flour. Raw egg. Carrot. Now, the machine can automatically form the dough into noodle strands. Carrot ramen is done. Shrimp. Raw egg.
Wow!
Seafood ramen is ready to be served. So, what do you think of these noodles?
Even better than I expected.
So yummy.
I want to eat more.
Oh no, the machine's out of soda.
It's hot. I'm dying of thirst.
I need to call the factory.
Production line. Empty. Control room.
I need a soda.
Bring soda to the beach now.
You lazy bum, get back to work.
Yes, boss.
How does the soft drink factory work?
Build the outlet, guys.
Connect to the battery box. I need some gate valves to supply syrups here. These 4 valves will dispense 4 different types of soda. I'll place a mixer here to dissolve the ingredients. Now I'll add 2 conveyor belts here to transport the soda cans. Empty can in, filled can out.
I'll make Bonza soda first. This Bonza syrup looks good.
Empty cans will be filled with soda inside this chamber.
I'm done, boss.
Then make other drinks, you idiot.
I'll do more right now.
Sprite syrup, Coca-Cola syrup, Pepsi syrup.
Oh no, I'll add more ingredients for the Pepsi syrup. Pepsi line is back in operation.
Let's get these sodas to the beach quickly. Soft drinks are here.
Goodbye.
too salty, honey. I'll rate them 1 star.
He just got salt instead of Pepsi syrup.